Introducing the new Armor Lite high side end dump trailer, available from Midco Sales. This Demolition end dump measures 39 feet long with 100-inch sides and an 85 cubic yard capacity. The body, nose, and gate of this trailer are all constructed with Hardox steel. It has a barn door style gate and a half-round tub. The body is hoisted with an 8-inch cylinder and is covered by an electric flip tarp. This trailer has a single-point suspension system and steel wheels. Visit midcosales.com to learn more about this end dump or about any Armor Lite trailer.